using my phone. We're going for like a quick 10-minute walk. We completely powered through all of our technical difficulties. I made it through editing a vlog without any issues, so that one is up. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and go check it out. But I have been editing for literally the entire day, staring at the screen. So we're taking a quick 10-15 minute brain break, going for a walk. I'm planning to, it is nail day. I nervously took all of my nails off, which it's time to redo them. So when we get back, that is what I'm gonna do. So if you haven't gotten outside to move your body today, this is your sign. Okay, I went ahead and did my right hand first because I'm right-handed, and I want to show you how I do my nails with my right hand instead of my left. So I used my left hand to do these. I'm pretty impressed with how this turned out, but I'm going to go over what I use right now, and then if y'all want a more in-depth tutorial, I can show you guys. But I got this little Dremel. Everything here is from Amazon. This little Dremel has become a lifesaver. This thing right here, as you can see, is like for like fine lines, and I went in and like cleaned the bottoms of my nails with it. This light is extremely affordable on Amazon. I got it on Black Friday a couple of years ago and paid like 20 bucks for it. It was insane. These came with my Dremel. This is like a French tip. I use the Beetles nail glue. I glue on these little plastic nails. They're not the Gel X, but I am gonna try and find another kind. This is the chrome powder I use. It's literally a pearly white. As you can tell, it is the perfect chrome powder to go over French tip. And then this one has like a blue undertone. I didn't use it for this one, but this is also a really pretty one that I've used on like my pinks and white, just like solid nails. This is the color that I used for like the natural color that goes with the French tip. It's really pretty. It's like a clear, I don't know, it's just like a natural color. It's really pretty. You can see it right there, that's the color, but it goes on kind of clearish see-through, so it was the perfect coat for French tips, which I'm gonna show you guys here right now. And again, I am by no means a professional. This is just like something I randomly picked up on Black Friday. So if you are a professional nail tech or know what you're doing, kind criticism is welcome, but if you're going to be mean, please don't say anything. Just be kind in the comments. So now I'm going in with the really pretty nude color for the French tip, because if you guys saw on my Instagram story, I had you guys vote on which nails I should do, and at the time of me doing my nails, the French tip had won. So we are going for the French tip, which I have a really easy hack for doing French tips at home that really doesn't require you to draw a straight line on your nails. Seriously, the best thing ever. So keep watching so you don't miss how I do that. Pretty sure I have a dog hair in my nail, so that's fun. Okay, love when that happens. I never use this color by itself because it is so thin and it takes several coats, I think, to build up. It's going on like a builder gel. It's really interesting, but I usually just do one coat and then cure it. I usually have my little hand gloves on too, but I'm kind of in a hurry today. But I'm really happy with how these turned out. Okay, so this little spongy guy is how we're going to get our French tips to be even. So I am using the Beetles gel nail polish. The color is A732. It's just like a milky white, which I actually really like by itself, but it worked beautifully for my French tips. So I'm just gonna like paint a little bit here. That should be good. And then we're literally just going to dip our finger in it and kind of go side to side. And then you have a super even French tip. It is seriously so easy. You're gonna repeat that on all of your nails and then cure. Now we're gonna top it off with the best top coat I have literally found. I'm telling you, when it says no wipe, it really means it. So when you put this top coat on and cure it, it is the secret sauce to setting those nails. Because if you don't use the top coat, then polish is just gonna rub right off. This is crucial. They're not perfect, but hey, it didn't cost me $50+ to go to the nail salon. I can do it here right at home. I don't have to leave my house. Now for the best part, which is the chrome powder. And you have to put the no wipe on before you do the chrome powder or it won't work. I'm just gonna take from right here, use my finger. But seriously, watch this. That gloss, it is so pretty. And then of course, if you mess up, you can go back over and file it. Like if glue or nail polish falls off on the sides, you can literally just go over with your Dremel and touch it up. Seriously, so pretty. And now you have to go back over it one more time with the top coat, just so it'll set, because if you don't, the chrome powder will come right off. And you can do this without the fake nails too. So if you just like have sturdy, long, tough nails and they're not bendable like mine, I would just do this with the gel on your regular nail. Same rules apply. You're gonna have to prep it and make sure that it's ready. Once you get started and like do this a few times, it gets easier. I've been doing this for a year now, maybe over a year. I don't know. Shoot, it may be 2 years. I can't remember when I started doing this. I've done it on and off, but I've definitely in the last year gotten a lot better at it. I still have some things to work on, but I do enjoy doing these myself. I think it's kind of relaxing in a way, and sometimes I just don't want to get out of the house and go to the nail salon, to be completely honest. Sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, it'd be so much easier if I could just do this myself, and here I am doing it myself. So, okay, gonna cure one more time and then touch it up a bit. So this is how they turned out. I am so impressed with myself, to be honest. I love them. If you guys, again, want a more in-depth tutorial, please let me know. But now I have to go pick up my kid and go grocery shopping. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 6. Are we on day 6? I feel like this Vlogmas is actually flying by so fast. I'm so thankful for you guys and love you so much. Thank you for sticking through this with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas fun day. That was so cheesy. We're gonna have to come up with something else. See you guys tomorrow.